In this video, you will learn how to edit your own profile. Now, this is more for the editors because your profile will show on our About page and at the bottom of the post that you have written. Now, there are two formats of your profile, the long one and a short one. The long one will show under our About page, and the short one will show after your article. To access this part of your profile, go to your dashboard, select users, and then go to your profile. Now, because I have an administrator account, I don't have the extra field, which is why I'm using Tara's account here as an example. Now let's scroll down. You will see there are two text boxes here. You have your biographical info and you have your short bio. The biographical info is what will show in our About WNS page. So if you go to our homepage and you want to click on it, you want to go to the About page, let's click on Tara's. This is the long form of her profile, which is here. The author post bio here is the short version of the author's biography. This is what will show at the bottom of each post. So if we want to go to any article, for example, let's click on 2018, this one. We scroll all the way down. The short form of the bio will show up here. So whatever you type in here will show up here. And whatever long form you type in here will show up on the About page modal. So editors, get to it, write what you want. After that, all you have to do is scroll all the way down, hit update user, and your profile will be updated for everybody to see.